Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am here with a review. But before that, I just want to show you something. I really love that. Can you see? It's a candle. It smells so nice. It smells of vanilla. You know, the main reason I bought this was for this box because I really love the box, the painting over it. Can you see it? It's so pretty. And I thought, it actually was a complete candle, like full candle. I just used half of it and still I have till here, so I thought I'll share it with you before I start the video. Today I will be reviewing the faceshop Chia Seed Hydrating Toner. Yeah, this is how it looks. I'm using a Korean product for some time. I actually purchased a couple of faceshop product, and it's, the Korean skincare is so nice, but the only thing is it is actually a little lengthy to the process what we follow. I think that's why they actually have that beautiful, supple, nice skin. If you see a lady in Korea, you would never guess her age correct. You might say 25, but she might be 35 because they look so young. The skin feels so young, so beautiful, so nice. The reason behind it is they take their skincare very seriously and they spend very good amount of time in their day and night skincare routine, and they have like 7 steps of skincare. They use a mask almost every day. I don't use it every day, but it is recommended. And they tone their face, they cleanse well, they exfoliate the skin well, they actually use serum, they actually use cream and everything. I don't say it's mandatory that you use all of them, because when you want to buy something in a good brand, you have to invest more on it. But it's always better to invest on good skincare than makeup. That's what I prefer. I've been talking so much, just want to give that gyan what I've learned. So actually the main reason I purchased this was I've seen Shreya Jain's routine of Korean skincare. I really was feeling that I have to try a couple of products from faceshop, so I actually picked a few. This is the Chia Seed face toner, and this is you get 145 ml of product, and this is retail at 1290 rupees. If I'm not wrong, you can get 20% off. Most of the times Nykaa has 20% off on these products, and the packaging is really nice. It is little heavy, not like the other packages. It's little heavy. It's plastic, and you have plastic cap here. You have this opener so you can close it, and it is pump. It is dispenser, so you can just press and then you get the product out. And it's actually kind of frosted. It's not frosted completely, but it looks like that. You can see the quantity whenever you're using the toner. And you can see I have been using since 1.5 months now. I have emptied till here, and I use a toner every day in the morning skincare and in the night skincare. So I'll put the picture somewhere here with complete ingredients list and the outer packaging. There's a fresh moisture hydrating toner lotion tonics, which is chia seed, and today I've been using it. I really have noticed the smoothness on my skin, the texture, how my skin feels. And I have I'm in Korean skincare. As I said, Korean skincare is 7-step process, and they actually use the toner 7 times. Literally, they use 7 times. Whenever they use in the morning and in the night, it is recommended to use the toner 7 times. And I know we normally use only once, and sometimes if we're lazy, we don't even use that, but it is recommended that you use it 7 times. But I don't use it literally 7 times because I don't get time in the morning, and in the night I feel it's lazy using 7 times because the product has to soak up. You have to wait for a few seconds, and then you have to again apply the toner again and wait for a couple of seconds. It's like 7 times process, but I make sure I use it at least 4 times at minimum. I have been using this like from couple of 1.5 months, and I use it in the morning 4 to 5 times, in the night at least 4 times before I apply my serum or the moisturizer. It actually is really nice toner, I feel, because it actually gives you the complete moisture. Wherever you feel your skin is very dry or your skin needs hydration, you can just pat it over. You can actually also, I think, have this spray kind of bottle where you can just spray the toner. I actually chose this one where you can pump the product. You can see it's actually very transparent. It's just liquidy, it's just running. It's just this is how the toner is. What I do is I actually, you know, take a little bit on my hand and then pat it over, pat. Instead of, you know, rubbing it or just, you know, using a cotton wipe, I actually prefer toner to use it in my hand, especially this one. That's how I've been using it. I just pat all my face and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then before applying the second round. So I take a good amount of 3 to 4 pumps for my first and second time when I'm using the toner, but the third and fourth time, because already my skin is hydrated, so I take 2 pumps and 1 pump, and then I finish off, and it's really moisturizing. Trust me guys, if you use a toner every day and if you use it couple of times in the morning and in the night, it actually is really, you know, it really does good thing to your skin. You can, I don't know if you can see, I actually have my skin very smooth now. It actually changed my skin texture to smooth. My skin is dry, and especially in winters it becomes very dry and patchy. And guess what, I'm in Germany. It's like 10 degrees in the morning right now, and been like that for the couple of weeks since now, and I have not even had a single dry patch. I've not even had any single dry patch. It really made my skin really nice. And you know, I don't know, I have been using along with the chia seed moisturizer which I brought along with it, this one. I don't know if it's just this has done the job or this has done the job, but combinedly they have actually done really good job to my skin. I really like this toner, and I'll definitely repurchase this one. It's really nice, and it is also suitable for all skin types, and really it's worth it. I know it's a little expensive, but you know, trust me guys, I've been using 4 to 5 times in the morning and night, and it's been 1.5 months I have used till here. So if you are someone who uses once or twice the toner, you can actually get this bottle for a long time. You can use it, but it's really nice. And except the cost, I feel it's really nice. But always, I think Nykaa has the offers on the faceshop skincare, so you can grab one and try it. And yeah, this is really nice. It's moisturizing. Yeah, that's what I feel. And I'll also put a demo on how I use this in my skincare, so you can see how I use it. And I'll be using this faceshop chia seed toner. As I said, I'll take a good 2 to 3 pumps, and all I do is I just pat. You know, the best way for any product to sink in your skin is you lightly pat it. You can see I feel it's so plumped up, moisturized. But I will again use this. I'll use the same number of pumps, 3 to 4. I'll just pat it all over my face. Leave it for a few seconds so it all syncs up well, because it's the second time, it takes a little more time to sync up everything. This is how I apply multiple times. I'll take a little bit again. It's just 2 pumps now, so it's not too much. And if you do it regularly, you would see a drastic difference on the skin texture, the skin, the way how your skin feels. Because no product can create just magic in once or twice stages. It actually needs you know, it takes some time for your skin to adopt it and the product to sink in well and work itself. So you have to be continuous, you have to be patient. So I applied 5 times and I feel it's like quite moisturized now. And yeah, that's it guys for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not part of TS fam, and be part of TS fam. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll put all the details down. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.